Hi everybody, it's Tuesday, August the 30th. Thanks for joining us. And today we're going to call it Trick Out Your Android Tuesday, basically since we missed Monday. So we shot a video last week for how to use an animated GIF as a background on your BlackBerry DTEK 50. And we thought, sort of following in that approach as a modification, we'd show how to do the same thing on your Android Wear. In this case, we're using a Motorola 360 first gen, and as you can see, we've got a live wallpaper running on the Moto 360, classic 80s Dragon's Lair live wallpaper type scenario. So how do you do this? What do you need? Well, first thing, you'll obviously need a Android Wear device. You'll need a smartphone. You'll need to have Android Wear on your your BlackBerry or Android device. And you'll also need an application, and this is called Watchmaker Premium by Android Slide. Now there's two versions. There's full premium, and then there's also a free version. We always, as a sort of just thank you to the developers and to help keep them fed, we always pick up the premium version of an app if it's really well done. And in this case, this is a great application for customizing your Android Wear device. We've used quite a few of them, and I have to say without a doubt, you know, the customization options in this application are just phenomenal. So once you've got the application installed, once you've got everything connected, you'll go in and you'll launch the app. Now, as they're talking to one another, your main home page for the application looks like this. And if you've got premium, what happens is you'll see watch faces that are available, free ones that are available for downloads. When you've created watches, they actually appear in this section of the app, and you can see we've created a few here. So, as you can see, we've got the Dragon's Lair watch face running, and we're just going to quickly zip over a Marvel Comics. We're big Marvel Comics fans here, comic books in general. So once you've got them created, you can see they're quite quick to get over to your device. That's because ahead of time it's actually sent the information already. So let's say you want to do exactly that. And the one thing to keep in mind is if you keep your Android Wear device active, as in gestures and flick your wrist to power on, I mean, will this drain your battery? Yes, tremendous. It is a huge power drain. So I actually, as a rule, do not leave my Moto 360 on with active wrist movements. I have it so that I have to interact with the screen, basically touch to interact. So let's go back to the home, and we're going to show you how to customize and create a watch face. So first thing you want to do is navigate to the top right corner, and you're just going to hit the watch with the plus. This is the first step in your design option. So we're going to go design watch. Now this is very akin to Photoshop. I mean, it uses layers, and I'm not kidding, there are tons of customization options in this application. So once you hit the plus, and we're going to slowly scroll through this, you can see some things that you can add. Watch hands, markers, calendars, time, date, battery icon, Wi-Fi strength meters, calendars. I mean, there is so much to customize in each of those categories. It's just mind-blowing. So for us, the big thing is we just wanted to show you how to get an animated GIF on there. If you watched our other videos, you'll have known that we actually use Jiffy.com for a lot of our animated GIFs. It's a great resource online. So go up there, find the one that you want, and once you get it, just simply go to your directory where you've downloaded your GIFs. As you can see, we've got quite a few in here. I'm going to pick this Mario since that's what we were using on our live wallpaper at the moment. So there's our GIF. Now you'll notice round watch face. It's not exactly going to fit properly. So this is what I'm talking about, the effects and how to change everything. We're going to change the height. Now you'll notice it's got a just food for thought. You'll see the chain links. If you actually click that and break it, you can adjust width and height without them being joined. We're going to reconnect it, and we're going to start to just get this to fit the screen. Done. Easy to do. Now you can hit either back arrow In this case, we used the one at the bottom that we're used to in the navigation. We haven't named it, we haven't titled it, but boom, there's our GIF as our background. Now I'm just going to go in and add another layer just to give you an idea of what we can do. So we're going to go back into Customize Watch, and I'm just going to add another effect. And for that, I'm just going to grab something really quick to show you. So I'm going to put markers on. There's my markers for our breakdown of time intervals. And there's our watch. I mean, I could add more. I could obviously put time, date, whatever I wanted. You saw it from the entire list there. Now I'm going to set this. Now, this is where it takes a bit longer, and you'll see this is where your Bluetooth connection between the two devices is setting the data. Still not a very long process. You can see it happens quite quickly. Once this gets transferred over, it's going to pop in and it's going to be my background on my watch. And there it is. And that's realistically one way to use an animated GIF on your Android Wear. Looks pretty cool. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or any questions, please just drop us a line down below. You can also tweet us at Baka Mobile on Twitter. You can also drop us a line on Facebook. Have a great day.